In this video, I will show you a new website and system that can transform how you approach Pinterest affiliate marketing. Complete beginners are using it to earn decent income from their Pinterest accounts. However, be aware that this won't make you a millionaire overnight. It will be challenging, time consuming, and you won't instantly make huge commissions. But with dedication and hard work, the effort can be very rewarding. Let's not waste any more time and dive straight into the video. To start, visit Pinterest Trends by going to trends.pinterest.com and setting your target location to the US. According to Statista, Pinterest is mostly used by females, with about 75% of its users being women. This explains the abundance of feminine-oriented content such as summer nails, DIY gifts, shopping, date night beauty, simple summer nails, hairstyles for thin hair, and many others. However, you'll also find seasonal topics like Father's Day gifts. These trending keywords offer valuable insight into what is currently popular. Our next step is to visit a website called Beer Blog. So let's open up a new tab, type in Beer Blog, click enter and click on the first link that pops up. Initially a platform for developers, it has now evolved into a mainstream platform available for anyone to sign up and use for free. Click the sign up button located here to get started. You'll create your blog, which can be titled anything you like. For example, if we are choosing the DIY gifts niche, we might name it DIY gift ideas. Just like this. You can also use a subdomain that would be DIY gift ideas. Into a homepage text location, we can just copy this text right here and just paste it like this. Click on create, and now you need to fill up your email address and password. After that, agree to the terms of service and click create. And this is basically your blog that you can post right here. You can write your blog or article right here and click on view, and this right here will be your link that will be promoting in your Pinterest pins. The reason I'm showing you this website is to just show you some different tools that you can use to promote your affiliate links. I don't recommend to promote your affiliate links straight onto your Pinterest pins because you probably get banned and you lose your account. So I always recommend to integrate those affiliate links into your articles, into your blog posts, and just copy those article links and post them into your pins. Okay, our third step is to find affiliate products to promote. One effective strategy is to visit Amazon.com, just type in Amazon.com and look for different offers to promote through Amazon Associates, which is Amazon's affiliate program. In this video, I won't show you how to create Amazon's Associates account because it's pretty straightforward. You just have to follow the prompts and it will take you like 15 minutes to do so. Alternatively, you can sign up to kit.co, which is quicker and easier. This free platform allows you to create an account and then click the plus icon to create a new kit. For example, you can create a kit focused on gift ideas or a gift shop. You don't need to own any of these products. You simply create an affiliate store within kit.co. Let me quickly show you some examples. You can click on view profile. I have my studio setup kit where you can check out my products I use doing my videos. Also, these are some other stores that I used in my previous videos. For example, home decor ideas. You can find different products like mirrors, like pampas, and some different flowers and stuff. Also gardening ideas, birthday present ideas. You get the point. Now, before I forget, it's crucial to edit your profile. So go to edit profile, click on monetize, and scroll down where it says Amazon. Click on this, and this is the place where you're going to add your tracking ID. You can find your tracking ID inside your Amazon Associates account. Now let's try searching for our promotional products. If you're unsure what products might be good for trends like DIY gifts or others you found on trends.pinterest.com, we can try using ChatGPT. Open up a ChatGPT and we can simply type in DIY gift ideas from Amazon. Click enter and you'll get a bunch of different product recommendations to promote. Let's see what we got. ChatGPT generated us a list of different gift ideas that we can make. For example, customized photo album or scrapbook. Materials needed: blank scrapbook or photo album, scrapbooking paper, and you get the point. This generated some items that you need to build your customized photo album. This is what you can promote actually. You can find these products on Amazon and add them to the kit.co and build your kit for each of these points. Also, if we scroll down a bit, we get a shopping list example from Amazon. So let's click on scrapbook kit and we are redirected straight to Amazon where we can find these products. For example, if we click on ceramic mugs, we get a ceramic mugs that we can paint, we can write some things, or we can print some logos onto these, and you can promote these mugs on your Pinterest account. I like this one, candle making kit. Let's click on this and you can see overall pick. We can click on this item over here and this is candle making kit for adults. DIY starter soy candle making supplies. That's all we need. And this product is exactly what we are looking for. The perfect DIY gift idea. And we can copy this website's URL, go to our kit.co, click on the plus icon, click on create new kit. We can name it DIY gift ideas, click next, and now we can search for our products. You can type in your products here, you can type in DIY candles or something like this, but we already copied our link, so we can paste it right here. Click enter and this gets us a same exact product we were looking at on Amazon.com. To add this product to our kit, just click on add to kit. Now take a look at this kit. This is my other kit, but this is a DIY gift ideas kit and we got only one product in here. So what you want to do is to add a bunch of products, at least 10 products I recommend you to add to this kit. So I won't waste a lot of time adding a lot of products. I'll just show you one more product. We can add something like bath bomb kit. Let's take a look at those products. Yeah, we can click on this link. We can copy this URL, go back to our kit, click on add a product, paste our link over here, click enter, and click on add to kit. So we just added our second product to our kit. Now you can see this is basically our starting to look like a DIY gift ideas kit. And this is what we are going to promote on our Pinterest account. Okay, the next step is to create a promotional design using Canva. So open up a new tab, type in Canva. Now we need to create a design that attracts the viewers to click on our pin. We can type in Pinterest pin, click enter, and we get a bunch of different templates that we can use. We can customize, we can change text, we can change fonts, we can change colors, we can change images and all sorts of things. So just scroll through this page and search for a suitable image you might use on your Pinterest account. So I'll just choose this one right here. You can click on this, click on customize with template. And now we need, of course, to change this image over here. We can delete this. We can go to elements and type in something like gifts. Click on see all photos. And for example, we can try using this image over here. You can resize it and make it to fit your template, just like this. Now we need to change our text. We can add DIY gift ideas, just like this, and we can type in something here. I don't want to waste a lot of time in this video just creating a template, so I'll leave it as is. Of course, we can make this text a bit bigger, maybe change the font to Poppins, maybe. Click on this. Now you can see more clearly what it is about. And now to download this template, you can click on share, click on download and download. Okay, we just downloaded our template. Now the next step is to go to ceowriting.ai. So open up a new tab, type in ceowriting.ai, click enter, and this AI tool allows you to create blog posts with just a single click. So you can click on get started, just log into your account or create a new one. It's completely free. Now choose a one-click blog post. For main keyword, just type in DIY gift ideas, and now we can generate a title. You can click on generate a title and let's see what you get. Awesome DIY gift ideas for every occasion on budget. We can change awesome to 10 DIY gift ideas for every occasion and budget. This sounds awesome. You can scroll down and set the tone of voice. I'll leave it on friendly. Let's click on friendly. The article size, I'll leave it on medium. 2400 to 3600 words. Sounds great. Target country, you can change it to United States. And if we scroll down a bit, we find this section which is called CEO. And don't forget to click on this NLP keyword generation. This improves search engine rankings, leveraging both Pinterest for traffic and optimizing for Google search. Now we can scroll up to the top and click on run. Once our blog post is written, we can scroll through it and take a look at this. It looks awesome. It's added images, added videos even. And now we need to integrate our affiliate links into this. So just click on edit and scroll down a bit where we can find our DIY gift ideas. For example, this one, spa set. So what you want to do actually is to find a spa set on Amazon, add it to your kit, and just copy a link of your kit by clicking on these three dots, copy link to share, go back to your article and highlight this text, click on this and insert your kit's URL right here. Click on confirm and you are set. You just added your first affiliate link in your article. So we can delete this gap and make sure to highlight this text. My recommendation would be to add all of those products, all of those items to your kit, then copy your kit's link, go back to your article and paste your kit's link in each of these DIY gift ideas. And once you're done, just click on this arrow right here, and if you want to check if everything works well, just click on your article. You can scroll down a bit, and if you click on this spa set, you are redirected straight to your kit. And this is the magic of this kit. The person who clicked on the spa set not only sees a spa set item, but also can get a bunch of different items that he can scroll through and search and maybe find some different items that he likes. It just leaves you with a higher probability to get a commission from them. So now after we are all set, we can copy this article right here just by clicking on copy. Not only you can publish that on Beerblog, but there are other platforms where you can do the same. Besides Beerblog, you can also publish it on medium.com. Just visit a website called medium.com, click on write and paste your article right here, just like this. We can of course copy this and delete and add it to the title of this page, add some gaps and take a look at this. It didn't add our images, but what we can do is just go back to your article, click on this, click on save image and just download these images one by one. And if you go back to your article, you can add some gaps, click on this plus icon, you can click on this image right here and search for your downloaded image, click on this and here you go. You just added your image from the article. So you cannot just like copy paste the whole thing, but it won't take a lot of time for you to add those images. So what we can do now is just click on publish and click on publish now. Okay, now what you want to do is just click on this share button and click on copy link. Now go back to your Pinterest account, click on create pin and you need to create a pin for your article. So just choose a template we created earlier and paste your article's link right here. Now we just need to add our title. We can copy it from our article. We can copy some of the description part from our article, or we can generate it with ChatGPT. For example, type in something like this: create a description for a Pinterest pin about, and paste your topic right here. Click enter and let's see what it gives us. Okay, it's a bit too long, so we can tweak it a bit. Just copy this text and type in create a 200 symbols description, including including emojis and hashtags. This looks awesome. Now copy this, go back to your Pinterest and paste it right here. You can choose a board, you can create a new one, DIY gift ideas, create a board, click on create. You can add some tags if you want, and if you're done with that, all that's left to do is just click on publish. Here you go, you just published your first pin. Now if you want to check if everything works well, you can click on this link right here that redirects us to our article. The person that click on this, we can read through this and find some ideas. And if we click on the, for example, spa set, they are redirected to this kit right here. And if we choose this product and click on this link, they are sent straight to Amazon, where we can buy this product, and if we do so, you get a commission every time. Now keep in mind that this does take time and it's not easy, especially if you're just starting out. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you in the next video.